In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video quality on Bilibili 2026 guide. If you want your videos to look clearer, or if you need smoother playback on a slower connection, changing the video quality on Bilibili is a quick setting that can make a big difference. The good news is that the process is simple and only takes a few moments once you know where to look. To begin, open Bilibili in your preferred web browser. If the platform asks you to sign in, go ahead and log into your account first. In some cases, certain quality options may depend on the video itself or your account access, so being signed in can help make sure everything available is visible. Once you're on Bilibili, open the video you want to watch. This can be any video on the platform. Let the player load normally so you can access the playback settings. If the video starts automatically, that's perfectly fine. Next, move your cursor over the video player. This is important because the playback controls are often hidden until you hover over the video area. As soon as you do that, the control bar should appear on screen, giving you access to options like playback, volume, and quality settings. Now look for the quality option. Depending on the current layout, this may appear as a button labeled quality, or it may show the current resolution directly, such as 720p or 1080p. Click that option to open the list of available resolutions for the video. After that, choose the resolution you want to use. You may see several options ranging from lower quality settings that use less data to higher quality settings that provide a sharper picture. If your internet connection is stable and you want the best viewing experience, choosing a higher resolution is usually the best option. If the video is buffering or lagging, switching to a lower resolution can help it play more smoothly. Once you select your preferred quality, the video will continue playing in that resolution. In most cases, the change happens right away, so you can immediately see whether the picture looks better or plays more reliably. That's all there is to it. Open Bilibili, start your video, hover over the player, click the quality setting, and select the resolution that works best for you. It's a simple adjustment, but it can really improve your viewing experience depending on your device, screen size, and internet speed.